Alright, what's up YouTube? I haven't introed the vlog yet today. I've been doing some filming. We're out here at Pavilion. Anthony's here, as you guys saw. Ryan's racing. I didn't feel like racing today. It was kind of, they didn't have practice yesterday, so I don't know. I'm being a little girl. I didn't feel like racing, so I'm just here to watch and just hang out, have a good time. Regardless, just hanging out sometimes with filming. It's just as fun as riding. But yeah, just chilling. Ryan's trailer. Ryan, how you feeling today?
I'm tired.
Yeah, already tired. I'll get some filming of Ryan and Blaze and Bailey, and should be good. It's finally nice outside today, where it's like 60, 55, sunny. Yeah, Ryan brought the 125, it's 250, and then yeah, he's not racing the 125 today though. He just letting it sit. I don't know why he brought it. Look at this sandbagger, dude. Sandbagger. He's got a 30-second lead. The kid hasn't even came off the finish yet. There he is, and there's Ryan. First lap. Ryan, dude, you're a sandbagger, dude. You're a sandbagger. Get out of the beginner class. Move up to Nav. All right, we're just chilling in the trailer. Blaze has got another moto he's got to go out in. He's doing, how you feeling today, Blaze?
Terrible.
Terrible? Not riding hitters today for once?
Yeah,
I know, right?
Honda.
What about the Honda? We got Anthony
Junk.
here.
Look at
What?
that piece of crap.
What's wrong with the Honda,
shot.
dude?
Caitlin, get out of the shot. You're blocking the entire piece of crap button.
What's wrong with the Honda? What could possibly? That Honda's brand new.
Piece of crap.
Where's
I don't want to hear your
You
crap.
got a Suzuki hat on.
Yeah, your Suzuki's blown up in your garage.
My ass, it's blown up. I have more money invested into that motor than your piece of crap Honda's worth.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
That piece of junk.
Your bike's older than you are.
No, it's not. I was born in '97. My bike's an
Your bike's
06.
a 2006.
It looks like a 94.
Anthony, so what have you been up to lately?
You know, working, fixing my car, dumping money into it.
Yeah. You're a
Turbos
super
aren't
dart.
cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same thing every time.
Honda's
Same
crap.
thing.
Yeah, that's all he has to say, dude.
Are you moving up to Knob next week in an area race? Come on,
I
dude.
got that.
I'm gonna have to race it.
It's getting boring.
I'm gonna have to race next weekend. Have to. Have to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, dude.
If Woody beats you, if Woody beats you, you have to smoke your tire off your bike.
All right.
Completely off.
You're gonna put $100 on the line if I don't beat him.
If he beats you, I'll throw $100 down if Ryan beats you.
Okay. All right.
That's fine. He's
All
gotta
right.
smoke his tire down. I'll give Ryan $100 if he beats you.
Okay. That's a deal. We'll see if I race it though. Yeah. What if I don't even show up?
You won't. Doesn't count.
All right.
You know you won't race.
Oh yeah, right. You got a 30-second lead on second, dude. You're shot in the beginner class, dude. I told you should have just went up to Nav today. Why didn't you ride the 125?
Yeah,
No. Should have rode it, dude. Just for the two-stroke factor. That's it. You would have gotten a little more respect from the viewers, but it's alright. It's alright. It's okay. If the GoPro falls off, it's a flat mount on a curved helmet. It's barely on there. So if it falls off, I guess. closing up. Ryan's going out there for his last moto. It's like 5 o'clock right now. Blaze just finished up, got off his last moto. What'd you get, like a second, first? Did you win overall?
Yeah, it was a slam fest though.
Yeah, trying to slam each other every corner, but it's pretty much over for the most part. And I think, Ryan, you're the last moto, right?
No. Like
second to last moto?
4 more.
4 more?
Or 3 more.
Well, we could still be out of here once you're done anyway, so. Yeah, that's it for today. Got some carnage. It's time for an FMF, I think. Got the packing coming out. Alright, so I didn't actually film too much today. I was just hanging out, enjoying the day. Finally some nice weather here. It's been so bad for the showing the day. Like I said, I got some clips blazed around the GoPro for you guys. And yeah, I'm going to cap this video off. If you guys enjoyed it and want to see the first ride video on the KLX125, I'm actually outroing this vlog later, but today I rode this thing first ride. It's so sick. We're going to do another ride tomorrow and kind of make a combined video, so you don't want to miss that first ride video. So I'm assuming this will come out on Tuesday, so the first ride video should be out on Thursday at 3 o'clock. Hopefully, that's the plan right now. I'll keep you guys updated on Instagram. Give me a follow at Tyler Monagan. But yeah, super fun day yesterday just to enjoy it at the track. Hang out. I should have raced because the track was like min in the morning, but whatever. What are you gonna do? And yeah, off of that, if you guys enjoyed it, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.